Alright guys, here we are at the foundation level. What we have here is a cellular raft foundation. So we give a consideration to the surveyor level. So you can see the surveyor level where we have our surveyor level. That's why you see the building a little bit down. So at the end, we're going to clear off this excavated area beside. So what we did here was to do taking it the level right round, and we have the blending at the ground level. From that, we have a board at the perimeter. So we want to add a board at the perimeter. So in that regard, we have to put a board right at the perimeter. Then after putting a slab, because we have a slab at the bottom layer and the upper beam to guide it. So at the perimeter we have a board, and inside we need to use a block. You have to use a block to guide it. So you can see all the pipe are installed as planned. You can see other projects are going up in that area. We did this just to safeguard our material. So you should employ this when you have lesser material. You can use the block and the wood, in sequence. You just have to know what you're doing and stay true to the basics. So the work is going as planned. You can see the matting going up. So we have to add some construction joints in as much as we can, because it's a massive project. You have to take it bit by bit. Alright, so you can see. So you can see this is the other part of the area. You can see where we have the beam, and we can see where we have the mat at the floor. So these are the ground mats. You can see where we have the ground mat, and we have a beam along the line. Kind of inverted beam coming up, then the board around the perimeter. You see, then we have the slab at the bottom. So the building is going and the work is going in project. So what we did here, employed a lot of our workers to make sure everything is going. You can see the carpenter brazing by side, because we have a kind of a cellular raft here where we have the slab at the lower area, and we have another one at the top, at the top. So you can see the project going and the board around the perimeter and all excavated area being pushed. So